In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a route in Google Maps. Stay until the end. To do this, go to Google Maps, either in the app or in your browser. Set the route you want. So let's take an example route. Go to Directions and set this, for example, as the starting point. That's basically it. Here, we're going to choose this and you'll be ready to go. Make sure you've selected whether you want to travel on foot, by car, or by public transport in the upper corner. You'll find it right here if there's more than one option. For example, like this. There's an option for driving, walking, or cycling. For example, let's choose our legs. And then, as I said, make sure to tap the 3-dot menu icon at the top if you're on your phone. If you're not on your phone, click on Send to Device, send it to your phone, and choose which phone you want to send it to. You can even send it by email or by SMS. After that, in the top right corner, you'll see Add a route, and you'll be ready to go. Another way is to share this link and keep it on your computer or tablet, for example, if the app isn't working for some reason. There you go. That's all, folks. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.